Hey guys, welcome back to another Coding Flamingo video. Today we're going to federate our Entra ID identities into AWS. This allows you to use the same sign-in from your Azure account or your Microsoft account in AWS, and it kind of centers that you can use the same identity for everything. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go in Entra ID. And for this, obviously, you need an Entra tenant, and you also need an AWS with Identity Center enabled. So I'm going to click Enable while we do this. So next thing we have to do is go to Enterprise Applications, and we're going to select New Application. And you would think that this is the one that we want, but the answer is no. So we're going to do AWS, and we do the one that is a successor of AWS Single Sign-On. And we create it. And once it creates, you'll go to Assign Users and Groups. And in here, you can add your users and groups. I went ahead and created an AWS users group where I added my users, but in here you could either manually add them or add all your users. And then in here, you can always see who is here and add them, remove them, and all that stuff. So next thing we have to do is we're going to go to AWS, and we're going to go to Settings. And I'm already in the IAM Identity Center. And then we're going to do Change Identity Source. And we're going to do External Identity Provider. We're going to download the file. And then we're going to go back here. And we're going to go to Overview. And we're going to click Set Up Single Sign-On, SAML. And instead of creating all this data, we're just going to click Upload Metadata File, grab the one from today, and click Add. And then we're going to click Save. And then in here, we're going to go to the Federation Metadata XML. We're going to click Download. So we're going to download that. And then we're going to go back here. And we're going to upload this. Then we're going to click Next. We're going to read and review all this stuff. We're going to click Accept because we have no other choice. And then we're going to select Automatic Provisioning. And we're going to copy this thing. We're going to put it somewhere safe, aka Notepad. And then we're going to copy the token. And we're going to also put it somewhere safe in Notepad. We're going to go to the Azure portal and we're going to select provisioning. And we're going to select automatic. And then in here, we're going to copy the information that we had in Notepad. So I'm just going to go to my Notepad, copy the tenant ID, and then copy the secret token. And we're going to test the connection. We can see that it worked. Then we're going to click Save. And then in here at the bottom, you probably want to add your email to make sure that you get it sent an email whenever something fails. And also enter a number for accidental provisioning. So, if you have 20 users and 19 of them are going to get deleted, probably shouldn't happen. So in here, you can enter like anything after 5, or obviously if it's a larger organization, way more. So then I'm just going to save this. And then we're going to go up here to the provisioning again. And we're going to click Start Provisioning. So it will happen every 40 minutes, but you got to do the first one manually or you can wait. So in here, we'll start the provisioning. I'm going to stop the video and then magically the users are going to appear here. And after a few minutes, now you have your users. You will have to click the refresh here. And then if we go back to the dashboard and we go here, now you have a specific AWS Access Portal URL. So if you go here and you click it, it will actually redirect you to Entra ID, authenticate you, and then you can log in and start using your Entra ID credentials. Obviously, you will have to add the users to a specific account and do all that stuff. But now you're using your MFA and all that stuff from Entra ID into AWS. Make sure to share that URL with your users so they can authenticate. And that's how you federate Entra ID into AWS. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.